How to auto-cut video clips in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Capcut application on your device, and as you launch the Capcut application, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now, as we launch the Capcut application, we just have to wait for a few more seconds to load it to the main page of Capcut application. So depending on the internet connection that we have, it will take the time to process. So let's wait for a few more seconds for the application to load, and as the app loads over here, we'll be able to see different options over here. So let's tap on the edit option at the bottom of the screen, which is basically the home page. And what you can simply do over here is you can see different options like AutoCut over here on the screen. So simply tap on AutoCut, and as I tap on AutoCut, it will lead us to our gallery where you can see certain videos that you can select, and we can auto-cut the video clips. So I'm going to select on some of the random videos over here. So let me select it, and as we tap on next, it will just auto-splay it and auto-cut the video clips in Capcut all by itself. So you just have to wait until it does complete to 100%. So let's wait for a few more seconds over here, and you can replace the original music as well, and you can do other editing as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.